Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to create this cool modular sofa in Blender. But before we start, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel and like this video so you don't miss new tutorials. And let's get started. So first of all, let's add a cube and make the size 1 meter, and here we're gonna make half meter, so we get something like this. Now Ctrl 2 to add to subdivision surface and press tab to go to edit mode. Now let's add with Ctrl R here 2 loop cuts and another loop cuts here. Now go to edge selection and select all these edges you added and press Ctrl B. Now add another loop cuts here, 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 and here. And go to face selection and select these small layers. But before that, add loop cut in the middle. Now select again these squares and move them down. So we have something like this. What we're gonna do next, go again to edge selection and select these edges and move them down a little bit. Now select bottom edges and do the same, but move them to the top and make shade after smooth. What we can do now, we can select these edge verts and scale them down a little bit so it's more smoother. Add another subdivision surface and again convert it to mesh. Go to sculpt mode and here with grab close selection you can add here some close like, so it will be more similar to close. You can also add here, it stretches here, so we can add it here. Go back to object mode and now we're gonna add these clips inside. So add a cylinder, scale it down, move it here, scale it down by z-axis and move it down. Add a subdivision surface, go to edit mode and insert this top face and move it up a little bit. Shade after smooth and Ctrl 2. Now go to modifiers and add a mirror modifier. Select your main object and X and Y axis. So we have 4 of that. Go to top view and now we can duplicate this object several times. So we get a sofa. What we're gonna do next is add a cube, scale it down a little bit, move it here. Again, scale it down and move it. Now scale it up by x-axis and make the same as for our main part. So add 2 subdivision surfaces, Ctrl R, add some loop cuts, add loop cut here and on the bottom, shade after smooth and convert it to mesh, add another subdivision and again convert to mesh. Go to sculpt mode and add some stretches, will be similar to clothes. Go to object mode, you can duplicate it now and move it here. Duplicate this one by y-axis and rotate it by 90 degrees. Scale it down and move it to the right. Now for the material, I will be using Blender Kit-on, so search here for any material you want. I want to add leather. Now Ctrl L and link materials, so all our objects will have the same material. You can now choose cycles and the GPU and add some lighting. We want to see what we're doing and go to render preview. So as you see, our texture is too big, so we need to scale it. Select all object and press tab, select all UV and Smart UV project. So now you can go to UV editing, select all and scale it up. So as you see, our sofa is ready. Thanks for watching this video, like if it was useful for you, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you next time.